Hello guys, in today's video we take a look at the new line of the e-bikes from ENGWE, a company that seeks to enter the commuter market by providing high quality, sustainable and economical travel solutions. The N1 Air has a carbon fiber which makes it one of the lightest e-bikes of this size and therefore incredibly easy to shift around. It also boasts a 100 km battery range, a truly excellent contemporary design and a real pleasure for urban riding and everyday needs. For more details, watch the ENGWE Map 4 N1 Air video review and find out more. When opening the package of the ENGWE Map 4 N1 Air e-bike, the attention to the details is immediately noticeable. The bike comes in a large but significantly lighter box than the average e-bike. It's safely and carefully packed with plenty of protection foam. In addition, small box that comes with the bike, there is of course Map 4 N1 Air user manual with instructions for easy assembly and clarification of the bike's options. There are pedals too, some tools necessary for assembling e-bike, and finally there is a charger and a charging cable. Assembly, although simple, will require a certain amount of time while we manage to remove this large amount of protection first. And here we are, about 30 minutes, our e-bike is ready for its first ride. At the first glance, the ENGWE Map 4 N1 Air does not give away that it is an electric bike, and this is its secret advantage. It looks sporty, futuristic and incredibly clean, as if it came out of a rendering of a luxury tech brand rather than a typical e-bike offering. Every detail seems carefully designed. The cables are mostly integrated into the frame. There are no visible connections, wires or clutter. What makes it even more fascinating is the feeling when you pick up for the first time. It's so light it feels unreal, like you are holding a classic bike, not an electric model with a motor and battery. The carbon fiber makes not only aesthetics but also a functional lightness. It allows easy carrying, quick maneuvering and dynamic driving without feeling heavy. This is one of the lightest electric bikes we tested. It weighs only 15.6 kg. A relaxed geometry frame provides a comfortable fast ride, and a two-axle front fork increases stability and steering precision. Everything you see has a purpose, from the narrow tires that calmly embrace the terrain to the hydraulic brakes that hide the power behind minimalistic lines. The fenders bend to the wheel's shape without disturbing the aesthetics, and a gently rounded edge seat invites you to drive for hours without rushing. The Map 4 N1 Air is available in two colors and two frame designs, step through and step over. For those in search of a high quality, practical and aesthetically pleasing e-bike, the N1 Air series of bicycles stands out as an excellent choice. The N1 Air redefines what it means to travel through the city and beyond, offering both practicality and sophistication in one attractive package. When you first sit on the N1 Air and begin to gently turn the pedals, the motor activates so quietly and impeccably that you hardly realize that you have assistance. This is what makes the difference between other e-bikes. Located in the rear wheel, the MIWI's MO70 250-watt motor delivers 40 Nm of torque, which in practice means that you can climb a gentle slope without steering, even if you are carrying a bag or backpack. The ENGWE is extremely well calibrated. It doesn't pull you too hard, but it also doesn't let you fall in you stop pedaling for a second. In city driving, when overtaking slower cyclists, the reaction is fast but controlled. The torque sensor does the main job here. It measures how hard you push the pedals and the motor adjusts the power accordingly. It comes in proportion of your effort, and that's what gives a completely natural riding feel. Another big plus is the silence. Apart from the slightly rustle of the tires on the asphalt, the motor makes almost no sound. There is no hum, no vibration. When you are riding through the park, even the pigeons won't hear you as you pass by. At the heart of this elegant e-bike is a Samsung lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 36 volts and a 10 amp-hour nestled discreetly inside the down tube of the carbon frame. The battery is invisible to the eye but crucial for the riding experience. The integration is so clean that many wouldn't even guess it is an electric bike until you start riding uphill without breaking a sweat. ENGWE declares a range of up to 100 km, which is possible under ideal conditions. A light driver, flat terrain, pedal assist in the lowest mode. In a real world, mixed conditions, the range hovers between 60 and 90 km, which is still more than enough for several days of cycling, driving without the need to charge. In real life, fill up once at the beginning of the week and drive without problems until Friday. No stress, no constant looking at the indicator, and that's what the city bike should offer: a freedom of movement without the charging every day. Charging is simple. The battery can be charged directly on the bike via the port on the side in the frame, or it can be removed and charged separately, ideal if you leave the bike in a garage or at the staircase. The charging time from empty to full is around 5 to 8 hours, which is the average charging time for batteries in e-bikes. The N1 Air features the Shimano Tourney 7-speed Delero, a proven standard in the world of urban and recreation bikes. The response is quick, while riding gear changes are quiet and precise. When riding on a flat surface, it's easy to shift into gear and get a nice pedaling rhythm. Together with the motor and torque sensor, the Delero allows you to always find the ideal ratio of power and resistance. In addition, the Shimano Tourney is easy to maintain, parts are cheap, available, and you can service everything yourself with basic tools. The Map 4 N1 Air use mechanical disc brakes with 160mm rotors. The brakes maintain a decent level of grip. They are not on the level of hydraulic, but for everyday city riding, more than enough. Considering how light this bike is, mechanical brakes have an easier job. The bike stops quickly and precisely. Now on the left side of the N1 Air handlebars is a full-color LCD display that is easy to read and understand in all lighting conditions. It displays key information such as the speed, battery level, selected assistance level, and total distance traveled. Navigation through the menus is easy thanks to the ergonomic buttons located next to the screen, allowing you to adjust settings without taking your eyes off the road. The display also allows you to connect the ENGWE mobile app, providing additional functionality such as the road tracking and the ride statistics if you really need it. The Map 4 N1 Air is not only stylish and lightweight, it is also equipped with advanced safety features that provide peace of mind in urban environments. The integrated smart anti-theft system includes a GPS tracking, allows you to track the location of your bike in real time via mobile app. Motion detection, the bike alerts you to unauthorized movements, reducing the risk of theft. Geofacing, if the bike leaves a certain area, you will be notified immediately. Automatic locking, after 5 minutes of inactivity, the bike automatically locks, prevent unauthorized use. These features make the N1 Air ideal for everyday use in the city, while the bike safety is most important. Now the seat of N1 Air has a sporty yet ergonomic shape, narrow enough for efficient pedaling but padded enough for not become uncomfortable even after 30 to 40 minutes of riding. The surface is coated with the moisture anti-slip resistant material which helps in all weather conditions. The seat height is adjustable and adapts to riders from 165 to 200 cm tall. For everyday city use, comfortable and functional. The bike comes with a 700 by 38C wheels, ideal for city streets, bike pedals and gentle gravel. The within of the tire provides additional stability, while the smooth profile ensures a quiet and fast roll. Riding the N1 Air on the asphalt literally means gliding with very little resistance and very much control. Equipped with the front and rear mudguards that are designed to follow the lines of the wheels, slim and elegant. Although they are thin, they provide more than enough protection from splashes when riding on the wet roads. The rear light on the N1 Air is particularly interesting because it is charged by the solar energy. No cables, charging or replacement batteries required. It activates automatically when it gets dark and remains functional even after a long ride in the shade. The front light is LED, bright enough to illuminate the road and not just for others to see you. Both lights come factory installed, so you don't have to buy anything extra. From all this, we can conclude that the ENGWE Map 4 N1 Air is more than just another city e-bike. It's a well thought out tool for everyday life, designed for those who want the lightness of a classic bike but with the advantages of a modern technology. The carbon frame makes the incredibly light, the torque sensor motor gives a natural riding feel, and additional equipment such as smart safe features elevate it above the competition. This bike doesn't try to impress with numbers, it conquers with experience. Quiet engine, smooth ride, discreet design and practicality in everyday situations, everything works in harmony. If you are looking for a bike that looks premium, rides smoothly and fits into dynamic city lifestyle, then the Map 4 N1 Air is perfect match. Just clean, enjoyable ride. If you're considering adding the Map 4 N1 Air to your collection, you can find the additional purchase links below this video. Don't miss out the chance to take advantage of a current promotional pricing. Act quickly as the offer is limited. Secure your ENGWE Map 4 N1 Air e-bike today and experience a new level of riding enjoyment. That wraps up our review for now. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, ride safely. Bye.